If we remove sugar from our daily diet, our body can experience many benefits. Let's understand step by step how reducing sugar intake can bring positive changes to our health and why it is good for us. Helps in weight loss. Eating too much sugar can lead to rapid weight gain. Extra sugar, especially in processed foods, turns into fat and gets stored around the belly, which is known as belly fat. This fat surrounds our internal organs and increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. When we reduce sugar in our diet, our body slowly starts burning the stored fat, leading to weight loss and a healthier body. Controls blood sugar levels. Our body produces a hormone called insulin, which helps sugar from food reach our cells to provide energy. But when we consume too much sugar, our body has to produce extra insulin. Over time, our body becomes less sensitive to insulin, leading to a condition called insulin resistance, which is one of the main causes of diabetes. By cutting down on sugar, the need for insulin reduces, blood sugar levels stays balanced, and the risk of diabetes decreases. Keeps teeth strong and healthy. There are bacteria in our mouth that turn sugar from food into acid. This acid damages the outer layer of our teeth known as enamel, which can lead to cavities and gum problems. Reducing sugar intake helps protect our teeth from decay and keeps them strong and healthy for a long time. Improves mood and mental health. What we eat affects not just our body but also our brain and mood. Research shows that consuming too much sugar can increase stress and depression in some people. This happens because sugar causes sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, leading to mood swings. By reducing sugar, our brain functions in a more stable way, helping us feel happier, more active, and mentally balanced. Makes skin clear and youthful. Eating too much sugar can cause inflammation in the body, leading to increased oil production in the skin. This results in acne and pimples. Sugar also weakens collagen production, which is responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. When collagen breaks down, wrinkles appear faster. Reducing sugar in our diet helps keep the skin clear, glowing, and youthful for a longer time. Keeps the liver healthy. Our liver processes the sugar we eat. When we consume too much sugar, it turns into fructose, which gets stored as fat in the liver. Over time, excessive fat accumulation in the liver can cause a serious condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This can harm the liver and affects its function. By reducing sugar, we reduce the burden on the liver and allow it to function properly. Protects heart health. Too much sugar increases the level of triglycerides, which is a type of fat in the blood. High triglycerides can increase the risk of heart disease. Sugar also raises blood pressure and bad cholesterol, which can damage the arteries and increase the risk of heart attacks. Reducing sugar intake helps keep the heart healthy, maintains normal blood pressure, and lowers the risk of heart diseases. If you want to take better care of your health, try to reduce the amount of sugar in your diet. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.